Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair plummeted 1% in the last session. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The last session saw the gold rise 0.5% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 3.6% in the last session. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an oversold market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Nigeria's underproduction of crude oil will persist as repair works on Forcados, a key oil terminal, will drag till the end of September after months of halted flows contributed to hobbling the country's supply performance in August. The Bank of England has postponed a key decision on interest rates following the death of Queen Elizabeth II. It is said that, in the light of the period of national mourning, the Monetary Policy Committee's decision would now be announced at midday on the 22nd of September. Japan's government must take steps as needed to counter excessive declines in the yen, a senior government official said, as the currency slides to its weakest level against the dollar in 24 years.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Finland's current account will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's machine tool orders at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's industrial production at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's BSI Large Manufacturing Conditions Index will be released at 2350 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0600 hours GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1530 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.